Hello and welcome back to the channel. We've got another TV today. It's a Hisense 43-inch TV and it won't turn on. So let's see what the problem is with it. So it's plugged in to the wall right now and I just flick it on against the wall. So that's where the standby light normally would be, but it doesn't even have a red light, and if you can listen carefully, there's a weird squeaking sound. I'm not sure if that's being picked up on camera. So let's flip this on its front and remove its back and see what we're dealing with.
After lying the TV on its front, we can then use the electric screwdriver and begin removing the Phillips screws surrounding this plastic back panel. Some of the screws are deeper than the others, so we have to use a long reach screwdriver, and once these are all removed, we can remove the back panel from the TV. Carefully lifting off this back panel, making sure that there are no connections between this back panel and the TV boards, we can expose the internals. And by replugging the power cable, hopefully I can now show you the clicking sounds that I was referring to earlier. And now here I'm using a multimeter and I'm just checking the power supply board. First of all, I'm checking for the 230 volts from the mains, and as you can see on the screen there's 237, so high side of the board is okay. Next I'm checking the low side of the board, and the board says there should be 12 volts where I'm probing and there just isn't. So this makes me feel that there's an issue with the transformer, so I'm just probing this to see if we get any voltage. So here I'm just pointing to the transformer that I think is at fault and listen out for this clicking sound. I've gone ahead to order a replacement power supply board, and hopefully when this arrives it can be swapped in and the TV functions again. So now it's out with the old and in with the new. We can test if this has fixed the problem by plugging in the power and then using a remote to turn on the TV. You can see the carpet is lit up, so the TV is back up in working order. It's time to put the TV back together, and luckily with this Hisense TV it's just the one simple back cover and the multiple Phillips screws that go around it. It's all back together now, so I'm just going to stand up against the wall because this TV is missing its legs. Plugging it in and turning it on, we can see the Hisense logo all fine, and we'll just open a YouTube video so we can see it working with no issues. So that's a wrap with this TV. It's all fixed and repaired. Please like, subscribe and leave a comment if you've enjoyed the video.